Welcome back to the Wallet Security video series, short, focused videos designed to help you understand and protect your crypto and Web3 wallets. In this short video, we'll explore one of the most important principles in crypto security: not your keys, not your crypto. This rule is simple but powerful. In crypto, true ownership doesn't come from an account name or exchange balance, it comes from controlling your private keys. If you don't hold your keys, you don't truly control your crypto. Custodial platforms may offer convenience, but that convenience can come at the cost of your independence and assets. Mastering this principle is the key to keeping your crypto truly yours. Let's look at what this means in practice. First, custodial wallets. In these, your private keys are held by someone else, typically an exchange or service provider. You log in, but the platform controls access to your funds. You rely on their systems, their rules, and their security. Second, non-custodial wallets. These give you full control. You hold your own private keys, whether in a hardware wallet or a secure software wallet. You own the crypto, and no one can freeze or withdraw it without your approval. Third, multi-signature wallets. Here, access requires multiple approvals, for example, from different team members or devices. They're often used by DAOs or companies for shared control and extra security. And finally, MPC wallets, or multi-party computation wallets. They split private key control across multiple devices or entities. This setup eliminates single points of failure, but requires more technical coordination. In short, who holds the keys determines who truly holds the power. If you find this content valuable, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us keep spreading free educational resources to make crypto safer for everyone. Thanks. Now let's talk about what not your keys, not your crypto really means for your security habits. First, holding your keys equals real ownership. Without your private keys, your balance is just a promise, not a possession. Keep long-term funds in non-custodial wallets. Second, custodial risk. Centralized platforms can freeze withdrawals, face hacks, or go bankrupt, and users often lose funds. After trading, always withdraw your crypto to a wallet you control. Third, self-custody requires discipline. You become your own bank. That means managing backups, recovery phrases, and security hygiene. Fourth, understand responsibility. When you hold your own keys, there's no forgot password button. Protect your seed phrase, and never share it. And finally, teach others. Many users learn this lesson only after losing funds. Spread awareness early, so others don't have to experience that loss themselves. This was a short introduction to one of the golden rules of crypto. Not your keys, not your crypto. To test what you've learned, visit CryptoSafetyFirst.com and take a quick quiz on wallet control and ownership. And if you want to go deeper, explore the 3-wallet model, your guide to structuring crypto safely for daily use, trading, and long-term storage. For more free lessons, downloadable resources, and educational videos, visit CryptoSafetyFirst.com. Stay informed. Stay secure. Stay in control, and help others stay safe too. Thanks for watching.